time is so bad. So if I go on the Roblox website right now, never mind. Right, Roblox. Right, search the web for Roblox. Okay, so now we're on Roblox, and if we go into the Creator Hub, and is it not searching? Okay, what? Okay then. Okay, Roblox is sound effect. So go in here. Then what? Apparently, it's gonna come next week as well. Gonna. Oh, anyway, like that being but for now you just have to. Also, if you want to add me, go ahead. I accept friend requests. I accept friend requests from fans. And make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Crafty Crew. I'm just gonna name it Crafty Crew. Oh my god! Actually, look. So I'm just. Oh my god! Oh, this is so precious, right? I can make it like an. Oh, I can make it like an obby with earth sound. Obby. Oh god. Okay, Hobby. Hobby, I guess. Okay, first stage we're going to make like maybe like so we're gonna like smash a few movies together. One sec, let's just make sure this isn't impossible. Wait, you spawn inside the maze, that's kind of a cheat code. Oh no, it's a death. Yeah, I forgot, so now I'm just gonna give myself admin commands. Okay, I think I could just type in admin commands and then post my mic. Oh, one sec. Okay. I didn't want an admin car. I just wanted admin. There you go. Get close admin and I'll go in. So I can oh, and then we need to get rid of the water now. Wait, if I delete this, will close admin still be on my game? Oh, yeah. Okay. Now let's see. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, I have to do it in actually. So first, this nurse, and then when you come back from out from the nurse, you're doing a miracle. So you have to like kind of just. Let's just say, ooh, let's. My God, I want it. This. Wait, what the hell? I mean, heck. Yeah, definitely good hat guys. Obviously. Oh my god, that actually looks kind of cool. I'm gonna purposely die today. If I complete the maze, I'm purposely. But after this, I'm gonna purposely die to see if it's always applied. Okay. Oh. let me run Roblox. Is there any other Roblox obby with whatever? That won't matter yet. I'll be with those sounds. So we're gonna oh, it's just so I can create the game with groups, right? That's what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, I just burped so I burped right into my headphone, like, are you serious? Okay guys, if you could just go follow my game from that would be great. Also, I'm doing more parts, you know, guys. I'm also having 3 more parts as well because I'm not verified and I don't have a phone number. I have a phone, but I don't have a phone number. So don't try to get my phone number, and also practically, what was I going to say again? Not so practically. What am I even saying right? Okay, good. East, south, east. Wait, shall I add wait, you add Winnie to there? No, that would be too mean. No, they'd want the East sound to listen to. They'd want to keep resetting the character. And that counts as dying, I think. I'll be with East sound. I'll be with East sound. Wait, one sec. Oh, okay. Oh, oh god. A comeback so good it hurts. That was really bad. Okay. Guys, watch this. I'm kidding, guys. I can't actually do magic. Oh, can I? Oh, can I? I'm going to go back on the Roblox Studio app and... Right, guys, I'll do that later. Right. I'll do that later. So now I'm just going to work on the other. No, please. I got... Okay. Okay, this image is kind of hard. Oh, that was... Oh, is that the start? Oh, yeah, that's the start. So, I know. Here we go. So then, look at the style of this guy. What is cost? Dang, why did I actually make this so badly hard? I'm deleting what I've been over, to be honest. I'm just deleting what I've been over. Okay. Let's do it easier. Aww. Wait, so now I just have to try to avoid getting bad items. I'm supposed to do that. Scared to do that. I forgot I could just... Oh. Right. For some reason, I'm going to start this part. Make it a bit bigger and start it again. But why even hit one part? Actually, I've already deleted that. One part. We found her. We found her. Oh dang, I'm ready to stop. Man, oh no. Should I try? Oh no. My favourite artist is Britney Spears right now. With a bush photo. Before the way. See that body, come back on the studio. Turn on the music, I just go crazy, go. Go crazy, go. On the car. Hanging from the ceiling there. See that body, come back on the studio. Turn on our music and make it stop crazy, go. I can't swear, guys, I'm sorry. Yeah, that is a bit too small. That's a bit too small. But I have to do the part 2 soon instead, because I can't go up to 15 minutes. So, in fact, let me just make it a bit. Yeah? Right, guys. So my mum came in to tell me something. It's sad how I'm not got it. Oh no, I have to like zoom in. So you're not to see the way out there. I know what I'm gonna do. Why did I not see this before? No. Oh my god! It come back so bad it hurts. That's what Roblox 2 is, by the way. That's really good. I watched that from another video. I watched it from another video. Yesterday on a huge fan, so if you watching this, you're a great person, and you really inspired me when I was younger. I see you soon, guys. I have to go for my bath. So see ya, and don't ask why I have a face cam, and why I don't have a face cam.